Hi there, this is Jen Kitzmiller with the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I have your weather planning briefing recorded on Sunday, July 9th. A few of the key points. The ridge of high pressure that's been over us the last couple of days is going to be weakening starting on Monday. With that, we're expecting a round of fairly widespread thunderstorms Monday afternoon and evening, a few of which could become strong to severe. As we get into Tuesday, we'll have a weak cold front move through, bringing some breezy conditions and slightly cooler temperatures for Tuesday into Friday. We are looking at another potential round of thunderstorms for Wednesday into Thursday, although we have lower confidence in this due to some timing issues in some of our forecast models. And then as we get out towards this weekend, we are going to be looking at another warming and drying trend. Here's our weather threat matrix, and we're really wanting to highlight Monday due to that fairly widespread thunderstorm activity, a few of which may be strong to severe. So looking at the satellite information, currently we've got this ridge of high pressure that's brought all the warm temperatures over us. But if you look upstream, there's quite a bit of activity in the Pacific with some weather systems and moisture, and that is going to be working to gradually decrease or weaken the ridge this week, bringing those increased chances for thunderstorms, but also cooler temperatures. So this is one high-resolution model's depiction at how thunderstorms are going to evolve over the next 48 hours. Beginning this evening, Sunday evening into the overnight hours, we may see a few showers and thunderstorms develop, especially through north central Idaho later this evening, and then transitioning into western Montana towards Monday morning. Overall, not expecting a lot of lightning with this, but there could be a few strikes. But more importantly, as we get into Monday afternoon and evening, we're expecting a couple rounds of thunderstorms, the first likely developing across north central Idaho into southwest Montana Monday afternoon, and then a second wave kind of affecting all of western Montana Monday evening into the overnight hours. As far as the probability of lightning, it looks quite high with this, and in fact a few storms could be pretty prolific lightning producers. The graphic on the left is showing the probability of cloud-to-ground lightning Monday afternoon, so between noon and 6 p.m., and you'll see that focus is really showing up across southwest Montana, portions of the Bitterroot National Forest. And then the graphic here on the right is showing the probability of lightning Monday night between 6 p.m. to midnight. And that's where we really see that probability of lightning expand, with most of the area seeing anywhere from a 30 to 50% chance of cloud-to-ground lightning. And as I mentioned, a few storms could become strong to severe. We're currently in a marginal risk, which means that any storm that forms within this area has about a 5% chance of producing damaging winds and or hail. So just something to keep an eye on tomorrow for Monday afternoon and evening, especially if there are any outdoor activities planned. Now, I mentioned the ridge of high pressure is going to be weakening, and actually a weak cold front will be coming through on Tuesday. And so with that, the temperature trend is going to be towards cooling temperatures. You'll see Sunday today is kind of the peak, and then gradually cooling with the Thursday, Friday time frame likely seeing some of the cooler temperatures. However, we are expecting high pressure to rebuild towards the end of the weekend, and so we will see those temperatures start to trend back up. Expecting similar trend in the RHs, with the lowest RHs today, Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, but we do see those gradually improve, especially by Thursday, Friday. However, once again, with the warm-up coming, that also means we'll likely be seeing some drier conditions towards the end of next weekend. And then as far as wind gusts go, I wanted to point out Tuesday afternoon, behind that cold front that moves through, it will likely be fairly breezy, not expecting anything overly strong, but some gusts to 30, maybe 35 miles per hour aren't out of the question, especially across southwest Montana. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, there is a somewhat a small leaning towards above normal precipitation, mainly across northwest Montana, but it's not a high chance. However, I will point out that the 6 to 10 day outlook for temperatures is leaning towards above normal temperatures with that ridge of high pressure rebounding along the west coast. And it does look like as we get towards next weekend, we will see the ridge kind of folding back over into western Montana and north central Idaho. So looks pretty good to see that warming trend by next weekend. Here's those key points once again. If you have any questions or concerns, our number is here at the bottom of the slide. Feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, we will put up our next recording on Thursday. Thanks and have a great week.